Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new video. It is gonna be my everyday summer makeup. So recently I had done this look actually for I just wanted to click some pictures on my birthday with my hubby. I just slapped on some makeup on my face and I really loved how it turned out. I didn't actually use any foundation, nothing. I just used cream products and I really love it. I am not saying this is gonna be heat proof. That cannot happen. So, and anyways, we are just at home, but if you ask me what I'm gonna do after this video, I'm just gonna make few other videos because this is my third YouTube video for today and it's like 8 p.m. at night. So this is my summer makeup for watching Netflix. Anyways, I really loved how the makeup turned out, so I thought I'll just show you what all products I used and I'll get ready with you guys. So yeah, let's get into the video. And if you are new here to my channel, my name is Sharmeen. I do makeup related videos, so if you want to, you can subscribe to my channel obviously, but please do subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I'm uploading a video. Please do also follow me on Instagram. The link is there in the description below. Anyways, let's get into the video because it actually doesn't take a lot of time, but I obviously have to explain it to you, so it might take me like 20 minutes, but usually it doesn't take a lot of time. And I've done this look like a couple of times. I usually don't put makeup a lot while I'm going out because it is so hot, and I'm honestly not going out a lot. Everything is open here, but still I usually don't go out, and who is gonna put so much of makeup to just buy groceries, because obviously we have mask on our face, so it doesn't really matter. So anyways, the intro gets too long. Anyways, let's begin the video. So firstly, what I do is I actually don't put foundation or anything. I just use a little bit of concealer because I need to hide this. So firstly, we'll do our concealer. So I'm going to use this Born to Glow concealer. I really like it a lot. I don't want to use my Wet n Wild one because otherwise you guys are gonna think that I just have that concealer, but that is one of the best everyday concealer. But this is also very lightweight and I want something which is similar to my skin tone, and I'm just going to add here because I have a lot of redness, and maybe here, just that much. And I'm going to use my blending brush and I'm just going to blend the concealer. It actually blends really fast. You don't actually need to put a lot of effort. That's actually done, and you want something that will blend very easily, and you don't need to like keep on blending like for 10 minutes, because like Tarte Shape Tapes, it takes a lot of time and this doesn't take a lot of time. So for everyday, obviously you don't want something that is going to take a lot of time. And I don't really mind if my veins or my pimples or whatever is there on my face, anybody can see that. I am totally fine with that. I really don't mind that. So now I'm just actually going to powder my face. And sorry for the primer, I usually don't use a lot of primer, so please think that I've already moisturized my skin. I'm sorry about that, but I usually don't like to use a lot of primers because I don't think it doesn't really matter until and unless it's going to fill your pores. That is a total different thing, but just think that I have used moisturizer and I've moisturized my skin. So now I'm just going to powder my under eye because obviously it will crease. I really can't just keep my concealer without powder. I have to, and I need to powder my concealer, otherwise I'm gonna be in a mess and it will be very crazy. So I'm not going to bake or anything because it gets a little bit dry. So I'm just going to set my concealer a little bit. Now for my face, you need to use cream blushes because I'm liking the cream blush, how it looks on your skin, so I really want to use that. So for that, I'm actually going to use the Natasha Denona Love Glow Cheek Palette. This is very pretty. This is really nice, and I really love the cream products. So we will actually be, I'm really sorry, I really love how cream products look on the skin, and I love a nice pinky peachy tone on my I mean, I love a good blush, that is for sure, and you guys should know that. So I am gonna use that. So I'm going to use the cream product, which is this one, because I want my everyday makeup also to be like peachy and pinky. I just don't want it to be like flat. I like it when it is more youthful and youthful looking. I mean, I like that. So I'm just going to dip in this color and I am just going to apply it on my cheeks. It depends on you how much you want to apply, and I'll just top it up with a powder blush that is there in the palette, because I like to use this, because even if I don't use a highlighter, it doesn't really make that much difference, because the Super Glow powder is really nice shimmery kind, and the blush is also very dewy and it looks actually pretty nice. So that is for the cream blush. Powder blush, I'm going to use the shade Super Glow, and I'm just going to put it on my cream product, so it gives me a little bit of shimmer as well. And as you can see, you don't actually need to use any highlighter, because this is nice and glowy, so your face looks really nice and glowy. So I'm just going to put it on my nose, like on my forehead a little bit, and on my chin. That is actually all, because I usually don't put highlighters every day, obviously, but I want blush for my everyday. I mean, I really love blushes, so I need that. And for bronzer, we are not going to bronze up much, but before that I'm just going to powder my face little bit, because I don't have any powder on my face and I need to put like just little bit. So this doesn't actually have any coverage, but this will actually just set my face. And if you want a little bit of coverage, or you want high coverage, obviously you can use the MAC Studio Fix Plus, or you can use any other compact powder which has a lot of coverage. That is totally up to you and how you want your everyday makeup to be. As you can see, I have this going on here. I really don't know why, but I'm okay. I mean, even if anyone can see that, I'm totally okay with that. I don't really mind that, because if I really don't care about that, I really don't care what people are gonna think. So now for bronzer, I'm just going to use my Too Faced, but I'm not going to bronze a lot, because obviously I don't have a lot on my face, so I just don't want to look bronzed. I'm just going to lightly put the bronzer, not a lot. Just that much, because I really don't want to look very bronzy, because I don't have foundation or anything as such on my face. Now for my brows, what I do is, first I actually use my Essence Make Me Brow Gel on my brows, and if it's necessary then I actually use the powder. But first I do this, and when it sets, then I actually use the powder, because I don't know, somehow it looks better that way. So now when it sets, then I'm actually filling the brows, but until that time we'll actually put something on our eyes, because I don't want to put bronzer. So when I actually did that look, I actually used the same color which I actually used for my blush powder one. So I'm just going to use that, and I'm going to put it on my eyes. And I'm just going to take a pencil brush and put like just little bit. I mean, even if you don't put it on your lower lash line, that is totally fine. Now I'm going to take this diamond powder, just little bit, because it has a bunch of shimmer. I'm just going to put it on my lids, because it looks really nice, and when the sunlight hits on your eyes, it will actually look really pretty. Just that much, and I'm done actually with the look. Now the same diamond powder, I'm just going to take it and put it in the inner corners. So I mean, it actually looks nice, and your eyes look more open that way. And whatever is left, I'm gonna put it on my brow one. That is actually what I did for the makeup, seriously. Now that the brow gel is nice and dry, I'm just going to take my Foolproof brow powder, and I'm just going to fill in little bit, just little bit wherever I think it's necessary. I'm just going to fill it. That is all that I do for my brows. I actually don't even give it any shape, because I don't want it to look very sharp. I like it better that it looks more natural. Now for my eyes, I'm just going to use the mascara. I don't use false lashes, so I'm going to use this L'Oreal Very Different Unlimited Mascara Waterproof. This is waterproof, but it actually comes out even with water very easily. It actually comes out like tubes, so it is very easy actually to use, so you don't actually need like makeup remover or makeup oil to remove this, even being waterproof. So I mean, that's a good thing. So I'm just going to curl my lashes, and now I'm just going to use my mascara, because I mean that's all that I actually use every day. And this is one of my favorite mascaras. It gives really nice length and volume as well. So now that the mascara is on, as you can see, it is actually really nice. I really love this mascara a lot. Now we are actually done with the face. So now for my lips, I'm going to use one of my favorite lip liners. This is from LA Girl, and after I got this, I mean, it got out of stock so soon, and I really don't have a backup of this. But this is the Sugar and Spice Perfect Precision Lip Liner from LA Girl. So I'm just going to line my lips, because I'm liking lip glosses a lot. I anyways liked it, but I don't know, somehow I'm liking more than ever. And for my lip gloss, I'm going to use Fenty Beauty lip gloss in the shade Sweet Mouth. This is a very beautiful lip gloss. I like when the lip glosses look so juicy and make your lips like. Fenty Beauty lip glosses are one of my favorite. I would highly recommend anytime. I really like that juicy look on my face. Not face, I mean juicy look on my lips. Now for my setting spray, I am actually going to use the L'Oreal Shake and Glow. This gives you a nice glow on your face, so I'm going to use this. I am really sorry, but my camera stopped working, but that is a really nice setting spray. Now I'm just going to use this so that it dries up quickly. So yeah guys, we are actually done with the makeup. As you saw, it was very easy. Obviously you can avoid and add whatever steps you want, but this is the way I'm actually liking it to do. And I'm liking the cream products for my blushes. I'm really liking that because it is a bit glowy, so I'm liking that. So yeah guys, this was my summer makeup look, and I really like this look. So I just wanted to share with you guys this look. So I mean, even obviously even you can try it out, and if you do try it, please let me know or tag me on Instagram so I can share it on my stories. So yeah guys, this was my summer makeup look. So if you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below what is your go-to summer makeup look and what kind of looks you want to see more on my channels. Please do comment so that I can see, and you can share your ideas with me as well. So please do subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends and family, and yeah guys, I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.